guys, it is Miss Pixie, and today I want to show you my Traverson tent and just how easy it is to set up and assemble this tent. It is super lightweight, so it's great for hiking. It's great for quick setups. This is technically a two-person tent, but if you're somebody who likes a little bit of extra room, I would recommend grabbing a larger tent. It's just going to be personal preference. Your colored piece is going to be your top cover. The black piece is going to be your bottom cover. You're going to have your spikes inside your smaller pouch, your actual tent guides in the larger pouch. Where you see the mesh opening, that is your front. Go ahead and get that spread out. Don't forget your mallet, like I just did. 2 seconds. The only equipment I seriously advise you bringing along is your hammer. You're gonna want that for your stakes. That is like the only thing that's not included with your tent. You have everything else you need to get it set up, including your stakes, your guides. Here we go. Here's our front. Here's our back. You're going to immediately notice the clips in which the rods are going to go through, and you're going to notice where your stakes go. Go ahead and put your stakes in. Thank me later. The Traverson tent comes with some really nice stakes. I'm not even going to lie. Having that anchor down to the ground is going to make it so much easier to actually try to pop it up. Go ahead, pull that taunt so you have maximum space on the inside of your cabin. Say hello to the doggy. That stake actually broke on me. I hit it wrong. Oops, life happens. That's okay. Traverson gave you extra stakes. You have nothing to worry about. And really, you only genuinely need 4 to keep it secured and laying down, unless you're in like a super windy environment, in which I would suggest you use all 6 tie downs and all 6 stakes. But seriously, you can get away with just using 4 on a general day, in a general climate. Again, like I said, your hammer is going to be your best friend. You're going to notice you have a larger rod and a shorter rod. Longer rod goes in the back, shorter rod I believe goes in the front. If we get it wrong, it takes all of a few seconds to redo it. You're going to immediately notice there are little holes on each side for it to fit into, making it easy for you to grip your tent and get it set up. We're gonna walk around, finish that. And immediately that tells me that we need to go in with the larger one because it's not holding itself up immediately. That's your tell sign that you've used the wrong one. But as you can tell, it's super easy and quick to switch them out. Now the Traverson tent did not come with instructions, so use this as your tutorial. If you need me to go over any other parts, just let me know. I'll get that recorded and get that published. I am an official Traverson affiliate, and I am here to support them in any shape, form, or fashion that I can. Now, as you see, your frame automatically stands up on its own. No problem. We're going to go to the back, insert the next dowel, rod, whatever you want to call it, and do the same exact thing. You're going to notice there are these little tie downs for them to clip into on the back as well. It's very straightforward, very self-explanatory. Just know the large rod goes in the front for your opening. Think large body, need to get inside. I know I said it backwards the first time. I'm acknowledging that immediately. But instead of taking the tent down and starting all over, I'm just acknowledging my mistakes. Yay! Not a big deal. So now you see we have a sturdy frame set up. She's not going anywhere. She is staked down. Now, like I said, we can add the additional stakes, but for the sake of this video, we are just doing 4. Now, we're going to go in with our top cover. You can see my tent has not fallen down while putting on my top cover. She is stable. This is going to keep the rain off of you, the snow off of you, the sleet off of you, the ice off of you. There are tie downs for you to tie it securely to the anchors in the ground to hold it down. So at every point in which there is an anchor, there is a tie down point for your tent top. Very simple, very easy. You want to go inside? Great. Now you have a door and some privacy. Welcome to your new home. The Traverson tent. Super lightweight, super easy to use, super affordable too. As you can see, I just caught that zipper several times and it did not tear the fabric, which I think is a pretty good testament to it. You don't want to zip it up, you just want to leave it Velcro, great. It's going to fall right back in place pretty much. It doesn't take much. It has really good Velcro. It's made of really nice materials, I'm not going to lie. You have plenty of space. Like I said, it says it's a 2-person tent. Personally, I like to move around a bit, so a larger tent is my preference. But if we were just going on a quick overnight stay somewhere, this would be perfect because all you need it for is sleep. If you need lightweight, the Traverson tent is perfect. Please go look at their full lineup. If their smallest tent is this nice a quality, can you even imagine what their bigger tents are, or what their other products could do? So, like I said, personally, my family and I, we like Traverson. That's just us. We decided to become Traverson affiliates. We liked them so much. We felt like their products were very straightforward and easy to use for our family. And they have made camping easy. Now, let's go over the takedown. As you see, I just gently lifted that off. If you had it tied down, you're going to need to untie it. I hope I'm speaking loud enough for you to hear me. You're going to take and fold this up as neatly as possible because you want it to fit back in that bag. So take and act like you're folding a sheet. Or roll it up, or however you can get it in there. Just know it doesn't take long, and it's going to go back. That's the beauty of this tent. It's lightweight, and it's great if you're just ready to go real quick. You don't really want to mess with it too much. I am actually going to start by taking my stakes out. And that one's already out. Go ahead, throw those back in the bag so we don't forget them. Now I'll take out my dowel. She's going to just slide right out. Closing her up is a breeze. That was the long one, by the way. Now we come back here, we grab our short one, slide it out just the same way, fold it up just the same way. Like I said, you guys, I'm actually really impressed by this little tent. It sleeps too. It's just right if you're going for like a quick backpacking hike and you need something really lightweight to carry and you don't want something big to glamp in. You literally just want something to take care of the need of sleep. This is it. I'll have the exact link for this model linked down below, so you're not going to have to go hunting for it. It's already easily accessible, easy to find. No more hunting, no more searching. That ends now. You've already seen that it's good quality, so you don't have to keep trying to read reviews. I just gave you a real life review. This is reviewed by Dusty/Pixie's Pantry. We tell the truth here. If I didn't like it, I wouldn't tell you I did. If we weren't actually going to use it, I wouldn't tell you we were. I would tell them, hey, I really didn't care for your product. I can't make this video. But truth be told, I'm actually impressed. It's easy to clean off. I'm going to ask them if it's washing machine safe because I'm just curious. Watch it not fit back in there this time. We're acting like we were just doing like a quick takedown and we were ready to go. Alright, first time I did this, you guys, I got everything perfectly back in the bag and I had some slack. This time, I just got it all back perfectly in the bag with no slack, but she is packed and ready to go. Again, You can find the link down below for this Traverson tent, and you will also find a discount code. Thank me later.